Hello, my friends! Did you see just how crazy profitable the crypto niche is right now? Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably realized by now the opportunity that is presenting itself. And as a marketer, you're constantly on the lookout for the latest trend to promote, I'm sure of that. So let me ask you this. Are you promoting crypto-related offers right now, before everyone catches on? Then pay close attention because I'm about to rock your world. How would you like to promote a crypto trading signal app that tells people when to get in and out of winning trades? Then keep watching. Things are about to get real. It's called Lux Algo. It gets users to enter early in a trade to pull as much profit as possible. Lux Algo is super easy, user-friendly. Any beginner can use this. And as you can see, the trade signals are solid. This trade here got almost 15%. This trade here got 21%. This trade here got 4%. This trade here got 7%. And I could keep going on and on. Those signals are super powerful. And as I was saying, any beginner can do this. You wait for the signals, you enter the trade, you exit when it tells you to sell. It's as easy as that. As you can realize by now, crypto trading has never been this easy. It literally tells users when to get in and out of a trade. So if this is something you want to promote, listen up closely. By grabbing Lux Algo Promoter Pack today, you get our done-for-you lead magnet. Needless to tell you that if you want to make money online, you need a high-converting lead magnet, provide free training, and have something to sell to your audience. This complete lead magnet will get you tons of subscribers and buyers. It includes 3 high-converting Lux Algo lead capturing pages, a download bridge page for your audience to get Lux Algo while you get paid for the referral, and some training for you and your audience. Speaking of training, I will show you how to use Lux Algo properly, when to enter a trade at the right time, and when to exit a trade with more money in your pocket. And of course, you will have full guaranteed affiliate approval as soon as you grab your Lux Algo Promoter Pack copy today. And this will allow you to make passive monthly commissions simply for promoting Lux Algo with our promotional pack. And any good promotional offer comes with a done-for-you campaign. And you can use these swipes for your email follow-ups, for social media posting like Facebook, Twitter, and so on. You could even add them in your video description boxes if you're into videos. You could add them in your blogs, your website, whatever you want. But one thing for sure, this promotional campaign will get you sales. And let's not forget the banner pack. The banner pack will allow you to get subscribers, visitors, buyers. Anyone who clicks it is a potential buyer, right? So we've hired professional designers to provide you with rocking banners that will turn cold leads into red-hot buyers. So if you believe that you can be helping people make money during these tough times, you owe it to yourself to grab a copy of Lux Algo Promoter Pack. And all you need to do is go below this video right now and get instant access. I'll see you on the inside.